I'm David Duncan. You're in my shop at 247 East 60th Street, and we're discussing metal fabrication using alloys. This is an example of a piece that we fabricated in our workroom in Long Island City using lost wax casting. The elements which represent signs of the zodiac were sculpted in plaster. After that, we made silicone molds and cast each different motif in brass. So this is an example of a prototype made by a sculptor who also created a silicone mold, and we cast in brass. This is an example of a design that's also cast. However, this mold was made with 3D printing. We created a drawing which was 3D printed. The files were used for 3D printing, and with the 3D printed prototype, we made a silicone mold and cast this piece. So this did not involve the sculptor. It was done completely with computer generated drawings.
Mm-hmm. So this one is done by sculptor and this one computer generated?
This was done using computer files.
Okay, and
files.
how is the difference in cost between them?
The cost is considerably more with this. These elements cost about $300 each to sculpt, and the silicone molds are quite expensive. So the silicone molds are around $300 each. So by creating files and using 3D printing, this was quite a bit less expensive.